Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to set up level roles or your rank roles in Discord. So first, make a channel first for your level. So as you can see, let's create channel. Once you're done with that, go to your browser and search for Arcane.bot right here. But once you're there, go click on add to Discord. Go continue and go with the authorization here. Just click on that. So once you're done with that, as you can see, you've invited join Arcane. So it's up to you if you want to join. Or for us, we just added the Arcane Bot here. Once you're done, you can now go back to the website. Just make sure first that the Arcane Bot is added. So as you can see, it's already here. Now just click on login. And go authorize. Once you're there, go to manage servers, just like so. Go click on manage servers and click on your server right here. As you can see, there's the dashboard, and now you could now configure everything here. So let's go to leveling. So you can see there are the XP options here and the level up message. And here, pick the channel that you want to put the message to. Just pick the levels channel, the one which we created earlier. Here, the voice leveling, the voice XP options, the auto reset. So as you can see, you can turn this on. This is all based on preference, and there's just the default level card. Set a default card to keep a consistent theme across your server. And some customization is premium, so it's up to you guys. If you want to change this, you could change the colors and stuff, but for me that is good. So role rewards are given to the user when they hit their respective levels. You can see. Now let's go back to Discord again, and let's create some roles. So go to your server settings here, go to roles, and now we will create some roles. So let's make a level 1 role name. There's color D. After that, display. Save. Once you're done with that, you could add another one again. But level 5, just like so. Next, add another one. So let's just do 3. Now level 10. So just like so. Click on save changes. Once you're done with that, go back to the website. As you can see, it's not here. So what you need to do is just reload the page so that it will pop up again. So go back here. So for level 1, we'll click on the role level 1. So add the updated. That is just like that. Next is level 5. Of course, for the role level 5. Add again. And last is level 10 for the role level 10. And that's it, guys. Let's go, after that, go down here. So here are the thread XP forum text and voice / command. And here are the XP roles, as you can see. So and no XP channel, so when they go here, they cannot get XP. So let's say verify here channel and rules, something like that. Here are the no XP roles. So it's up to you. It's all by preference. And here are the XP boosters. So you could do that, or you could just not click on the stack boosters or stack rewards. So it will be more clean and organized. And after here, booster rolls increase XP earned by randomly adding more XP between 0% and the percentage set when you send message. Boosters cannot exceed 80%, so it's up to you if you want to add some boosters. And here are the leaderboards, so click the link that you want to see if someone goes to your leaderboard. So just click on save. Let's click view leaderboard. So as you can see, the one that I put is Chevy, and the URL is named Chevy, just like so. Now we can go back to Discord and go back to to the levels here. Go click on. Wait, let's go back to the site first. And there, as you can see, the message. Now we're all done here. What you want to do, you can also change the level up message if you want, but for me, let's leave it default. So as you can see now, go click on slash and go click on the Arcane Bot here, or the wait. So go here, and now you could go with the boosters, card color. So there are many options here that you want. Could XP add the XP to the user. Could remove XP, so something like that. So if you want to try, let's try the XP add. So put on the member, say me, and add XP, the amount of XP. It's up to you. Let's say 10. And as you can see, it's loading and stuff. And after that, when it's loaded, and that's just all there is to it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.